In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a message as unread in Slack. This is a simple feature, but it can be incredibly useful for staying organized and making sure important messages do not slip through the cracks. If you read something in Slack and realize you are not ready to respond yet, marking that message as unread gives you a clear visual reminder to come back to it later. It is a great productivity habit, especially when you are juggling multiple conversations at once. To get started, open the Slack desktop app or sign in through your web browser. Then navigate to the channel or direct message that contains the message you want to save for later. Once you find the exact message, move your mouse over it. As you hover over the message, a small floating toolbar will appear in the upper right area of that message. This toolbar gives you quick access to several message actions, including the one we need here. Next, look for the More Actions icon on that floating toolbar. This is the icon with 3 vertical dots. Click on those 3 dots to open the drop-down menu of message options. Take your time here and make sure you are opening the menu for the correct message, especially in a busy conversation where several replies may look similar. When the drop-down menu appears, click on Mark Unread. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also press the U key while that menu is open to select the same option more quickly. As soon as you do this, Slack will update the conversation to help you remember it. In the left sidebar, the channel or direct message name will turn bold again and a red notification badge will reappear. Inside the conversation itself, you will also see a thin red new messages divider placed directly above the message you marked. That makes it easy to find the exact spot when you return later. As an extra tip, there is also a faster shortcut you can use. On Mac, hold the Option key, and on Windows, hold the Alt key, then click directly on the message you want to mark as unread. This can save time if you use the feature often, and that is all it takes. You now know how to mark a message as unread in Slack so you can keep track of messages that still need your attention. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next